What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am super excited. The Integra is back. If you guys watched the last video or two, you'll know that the windshield on the Integra was smashed to pieces. And I wasn't gonna fix it right away just because there was some other things on the car that I wanted to address before that. But my buddy's aunt owned a glass shop. She got me a screaming deal and I was able to get a new windshield in within a couple of days. So I just went ahead and pulled the trigger on it. And while doing that, we also painted the roof because the roof had a ton of really bad dents. The hood flew up on the previous owner and smashed the roof. And he had actually painted the roof black, but he never did any of the body work. He left the dents. I don't understand why, but I went ahead, I did the body work, and we resprayed the roof Nighthawk Black Pearl with some Kaiser Silver flake, so like the OEM ITR wheel color flake. And it came out really good aside from some bubbles, but I'm gonna show you guys really quick what it looks like, and then we're gonna go ahead and take the Integra for a little drive because it's been a week or two since I've driven it and I'm kind of itching. So let's take a look at it real quick. All right, so like I said, we've got Nighthawk Black Pearl paint with some Kaiser Silver metallic flake in it. I did a little too much flake, but I really do think it looks good. One thing that I noticed right away, so we've got some bubbling right here. You can see it, but yeah, I've never experienced that before and I'm not sure what caused it. Kind of bummed, but you know, it is what it is. I do plan on completely cutting this roof out at one point in time and doing a carbon fiber roof with a sunroof delete. I do not want the sunroof anymore. We are, you know, attempting to do an Integra Type R clone. So I'm not super mad about that. That's something that, you know, we can handle later on down the road. And I'm honestly only gonna have this roof on the car for another year or two. I just wanted it to be clean and, you know, somewhat straight. I was tired of looking at all the crazy dents. So now the Integra has a clean roof, resprayed black and dentless. New windshield. We still need to put the cowl back in, and I still do need to put the trim pieces back in. I do have them. They're over there in the garage somewhere, but that'll be for another day. Right now, I think I want to grab my window mount and go do some pulls in the Integra, you know, just go for a fun little drive. I do need to stop by Humble and pick up my nitrous kit, so maybe we'll go do that. Yeah, let's go do that. All right, guys, so we made it over here to Humble Performance, and I walked down to Manuel's shop just to see what's up, and I was greeted by this beauty. Holy crap, guys, this is a beautiful car. EG Coupe, B-Series. The engine code has been shaved off the block, so I don't know if it's GSR or B16 or what, but yeah, this thing is super clean. I love this color. Man, these welds are awesome too. Yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this build really quick. This thing is rad. Inside and outside, that is nice. Well, let's go see what the other guys are up to. Kenny's coupe over there. Sorry, hatch. Got another hatch. Honda's everywhere. I love it. All right, guys. We're here at Humble, leaving. Hung out with the guys for a little bit. Should have filmed a little more, but you know how it is when you're just kicking it with the homies. You know, nothing crazy. Didn't want to be the awkward guy walking around with a fucking camera the entire time, but leaving. We're heading back to the house now, and we're just gonna cruise around. So let's do it. Guys,